Got ourselves a little sunset going on here next to a muddy pond. Got Allie whining in the background because we can't let her off her leash because she runs away. Tow Pig did really good. It didn't fall apart. It did what? 14 miles of dirt road. We're out here in Ely, Nevada, north of Ely, Nevada. Oh, look at you, you poor thing. I'm gonna take the Jeep and go out looking tomorrow. There's Max acting like he's not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just sitting here next to the food and water that's not mine. I'm not eating it, drinking it. I'm just sitting here. You have a fun day today? Driving? Oh, you got to ride. I had to drive. So, we haven't done much sitting up yet, but this will be the kitchen area. Yeah. Well, I hope everybody else is going to have a great weekend because I know I am. Sunset number 2 here at the camp. I put about 4 gallons of water on that thing. It ain't going nowhere because they said it's green to burn, but it's out here seems really dry. You can see the sun's just hitting the hills in front of us. What's that? That's a Max. And Maxie's tail. There's an Allie down there too. I got her on the leash because she runs away. Huh, Allie? And Bindy's in the tent with Christina. But we've had a great day. We did not see what we were looking for. We've seen markings of, but we saw a lot of wild horses, which kind of makes us feel bummed because the wild horses is not great for the wildlife. Well, I hope you all have a good night. We're going to try to stay warm. Well, here we are with sunset number 3. Yeah, a little earlier than the actual sunset, but you know, we're still here. Christina hasn't died yet.
Not yet.
She's trying to stay warm. Bindy's there, Allie's somewhere. Max is probably next to the Jeep out it, I guess. It's been a fun weekend. Tomorrow we get to drive home. Yay! One more night in the tent.
Back to the one.
Yeah. No elk, no deer. We did see bunches and bunches of horses.
4 antelope.
4 antelope, a couple ducks. Yep. It's been fun.